Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the P Louise Mystery Box. It just showed up today. I had no idea that this was what was waiting for me in the mailroom, and I figured we would find out together what it is, what's inside. There were sneak peeks of it, but I haven't really looked. Now you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to find out with me what is in this huge box from P Louise, just keep watching. Okay, I legitimately cannot remember what is supposed to be inside this massive box from P Louise. So they did the mystery boxes on their website, and I saw it and I was like, oh, okay, but there were like different things that could possibly be in there. So when I stopped by the mailroom, I was like, what the heck is that? And my mail guy is like, well, it says it's P Louise. Is that makeup? And I was, yep. Spot on. There is a little bit, like, it's a little dented in, and that's the thing, it's coming through military mail. So P Louise is a UK based brand, so it went all the way to the United States, went through the mail processing for the military, and then came all the way back to Europe. I was just like, wait, what? But I'm glad that they do ship to military addresses, which makes it so much nicer. But I also don't know what caused this. Now, there is a tab that I have not pulled yet. And then of course there is the warning that like once you open it, it's yours, no refunds. So let's try this together. It says, embrace the change, the outcome is beautiful. I like that. Let's see. Sometimes these little like pull tabs are not the easiest. I love the artwork, like all the little butterflies on here, the vines. You guys, it is a box inside of a box. The heck? Okay, interesting. So we now have this little tiny box. I mean, it's not super tiny, but like it's smaller. All right. Contains special secrets. Packed with love by P Louise. What you desire is already yours. Okay, open the box. There's secrets inside. We're sure you'll be obsessed, but we'll let you decide. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so when you open this up, it's like a little panel. Is there like, is something supposed to happen with it, or I don't know. It looks like there's a little like, oh, there's a button. Okay, so there is like a little battery pack in here, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. We'll go ahead and unbox it. All right, so the first thing that's in here, a flirty flush reflex liquid shimmer blush, the cheek of it. Okay, so in Sunset Spark. And see, I don't have any of these blush, like the cheeky blushes. Liquid shimmer blush. Okay, so it's just a little twist top, and then it's got the sponge applicator. Okay, let's see. I don't want to push. Okay, so it's starting to come out. I don't want to push too much. Okay, so it's starting to come out. It's kind of slick, and it like disappeared. There is a little bit of glitter in here. Do I need to push like more out? Like, what is this supposed to look like? It just kind of disappeared. Interesting. I'll have to play around with this. I'm intrigued. We have the Perfect Pout 𝐂𝐓𝐇 cosmetic base. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a lip base. Okay, I've never had one of these because I use their eyeshadow base, which I absolutely love. I have mine in Rumor 02. This one I keep repurchasing. Really like it. I may actually need to get a little bit deeper of a shade when I self-tan, but otherwise I really like it. So hydrating formula stays put all day. Lip base. Interesting. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay, I found the perforated. So it's like a baby pink shade. This is supposed to be a lip base. It doesn't feel like hydrating. It's kind of like kind of stiff once it's like put on. Interesting. I'm intrigued to try this out. Like, is it gonna mute my lips out and then you just put like a lip gloss on top of it? I'm gonna have to look this up. Cloud 9 Pink Gleam Strobe Cream. Let's see where I have my little like cloud box opener. Hydrate and illuminate with our Cloud 9 Strobe Cream, multi-use face gloss that primes and hydrates for 24 hours and illuminates the skin. Whereas a bouncy face cream or under makeup as a primer for a lip from within luminous glow, or lay it over makeup for that extra glossy finishing touch. Interesting. I had no idea what was going to be in here, hence it being a mystery box. But I also figured this is literally the best way to try out some products. I don't remember how much I spent on this box. If I can remember, make sure it's on the screen or in the drop down box. Okay, so it kind of has like the Too Faced Candlelit Glow. Alright, so let's... Honestly, it just feels like a moisturizer. And it's kind of slippy, but I don't see like the extra glossy hydration that it's talking about. Oh, it's drying down. Okay, interesting. I might be intrigued to try this out, especially in the winter. All right, and the last item in here, let's see. Fluffy Fantasy Sienna Sun palette for eye and face. Okay, so an eye and face palette. It looks like it's got a blush, a highlighter, and 4 shadow shades. Interesting. I will say her packaging is very cutesy. Ooh, these are definitely some shades that I would reach for. Now, it's a little bit darker than I would reach for work, like these shades right here, but I could definitely use the highlighter as an eyeshadow, like right here in the inner corner. This is pretty. Let's see, what does the highlighter look like? That is a like coppery gold, and it's not close to my skin tone. Oh wow, okay. So these two are pink. This primer disappeared. And then like a coppery bronze highlighter. That for me is gonna be an eyeshadow because it is... Let me grab my brush. We are going to try it out real quick. All right, so dipping in. It might be like a blush topper, to be honest, but not a highlighter. I like mine a little bit lighter. Okay, you guys, that is it. So in this mystery box, there are 4 items. So eyeshadow face palette, we have the hydrated illuminator, a lip primer, and a shimmery blush. So I will definitely try these out in a future video. I'm intrigued. The blush seems like it's a little bit buildable, fairly pale, but I tried. So we'll see what it looks like when I wear other makeup with it, or am I able to build it up? We will see. But you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts. Put it in the comments. We'll have that conversation. Are you picking this up? Are you intrigued by the mystery boxes from P Louise? Let me know. But you guys, before you leave, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, bye. I'll see you in the next one.